Hi STEM family, we are on our way to go and celebrate and give all of our STEM students a congratulations for the end of the year. It's so crazy how we had to just really implement something new because we can't do a graduation. So just stay tuned and see what we do next. Congratulations,
Thank you.
So cute. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations. There's Miss Alex and Miss Rose and Miss Dante.
Congratulations! Hi, Mishka!
Miss Alex and Miss Rose.